In today's video, we are gonna unbox the Seiko Astron SSH101J1. They released this watch with another Astron model, the SSH105J1. This watch is a limited edition with 800 pieces in total, and we've got number 634. The watch comes in a limited edition Astron box. And this is the Seiko Astron SSH101J1. It has a case with a diameter of 42.8mm and a thickness of 14.6mm. A beautiful piece in my opinion. The watch has an urban vibe and is inspired by the high energy and ever-present neon light of Tokyo at night. The dial evokes the metropolis futuristic atmosphere that fits the high-tech functionality of the Astron GPS Solar. The watch has a dual curved sapphire glass with a super clear coating, so you don't have any disturbing reflections when you look at the watch. And the watch is 200-meter water resistant. On the back of the case you will read the words limited editions, and under these words you can see the edition number of this particular piece. The bracelet and case is made from titanium with a super hard coating. And then the 5x53 caliber, a completely new caliber with high speed time zone adjustment and a time transfer function capability. If you compare the 5x with the 8x caliber, the 5x caliber is more than 10 times faster than the 8x. For example, if you want to change the time from Tokyo to New York, it takes the 8x caliber 34 seconds and it takes the 5x53 caliber only 3 seconds. This watch comes with an additional silicone strap. The retail price of this watch is €2,800, and if you're interested in buying this watch, I've got some great news for you. We have still one model left in our stock. We also send worldwide, check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. If you liked the video, drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on the newest Casio and Seiko releases.